Alright, we're doing bank 1 sensor 2 oxygen sensor on the Sienna today. This is bank 2. Bank 1 is the manifold in the back, which you can't see. Sensor 2 is the furthest away from the manifold. And this car is throwing a P0037 code. Bank 1 sensor 2. The way to get to the plug is through the interior. So we got to take that plastic piece off right there. So I'm gonna pull it off real quick. All right, we got that off. 2 plastic clips right there, pulls this right off. Then our oxygen sensor plug is right here with the little rubber grommet down there. So all we gotta do is press that. It should come right off. Right there. Then we'll probably have to undo it from the exhaust and then pull it out from the top. And I did drive the car up on ramps. So let's go down there, locate the sensor. I'm going to be using this oxygen sensor tool. You can rent this at auto parts stores or you can buy it. It makes life a little easier. Alright, so we're right under bank 1, which is right here. And in the back, that right there is sensor number 2. This is going to slide over that wire. And that's the reason why it has that slit right there. Slides over the wire and goes right into the sensor. Now we're going to see if I can power this one out. There we go. Once they get loose, they pretty much you can pretty much just turn it off by hand. Very short threads. Ta-da! Then I think you can just pull it from the bottom, or you might have to pull it from the top. Yep, just gotta pull it from the top. Pull it out, it pulls right out. That's our new one right there. Denso part number 2344516. Only go Denso. So let's go ahead and slide this one back in there. It's just gonna feed right through that hole right there. Just kind of pop that grommet back into place. And we're good. And I'll do that later, but yeah. You get the idea. After that you could pull the wire off the battery to reset the ECU, or you can get a code reader and reset it. But if you're on a car that requires the battery to have power, like memory, you're probably gonna have to use like a battery tender or a charger or something to keep that memory on there, because some cars they will not start after you do that shit. All right, we got our nice new sensor. I put it in. First, we're going to turn it backwards so that we can get the wires turned backwards. And then we turn it forward so that the wires will straighten out and not be all twisted up. take our oxygen sensor tool and tighten it back up. And we're good. So I got everything buttoned up. Probably gonna do an oil change on it soon as well. But yeah, I'm glad to bring you guys this little information, this little DIY stuff, so you guys can save yourselves an arm and a leg. And you know, like I did with the TL. The next video we're gonna do is we're gonna do the transmission shift solenoid and the transmission filter on this 03 Dodge Dakota V6. So yep, appreciate you guys watching.